Okay, YouTube people, it's your boy Blitz 3000 back on here again. Took the batteries out, about to get ready to put the amps in. See, took the batteries out, took all that out. Now I'm finna pull the box out now. So, yeah, I got me a little helper today. You see him. I really ain't gonna do no work, but okay. But I'm gonna let him hold the camera from where I pull the box out. Alright, hold the camera. Don't try this at home, people. I'm professional. Alright, you see the camera. Alright, you see this the amp rack. Fortunately, the 7000 still went dead. So time to get some new speaker wires. RCA, got some more RCA there, finna run some more power wires. And now I'm about to line them up, see what I can do. Alright, so I'll just stay tuned. I got some more videos to come. Cut all this mess out of here. First of all, gotta move this up. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second. Alright. 4 of them. Alright. Alright, see? Alright, out of my amps. Now it's time to hit the wires up. Not bad. Almost an hour. As y'all can see, got the wires ran for the power, remote turn on. Now I'm gonna do the speaker wires and RCAs. Alright. Alright, we got everything hooked up. All the RCAs, all the speaker wires. Now we just got to put the box back in. I'm tying up all the stuff in the back of the box. And do all the connectors. What we gonna do is hook up the speaker wires. Alright, man, what you doing? Hook up the speaker wires. And straighten that up right there, them RCAs. Make it look neat. Alright. Come on, get over here.